Hi. In this video I'm going to tell you about 5 features in Windows 10 that you probably didn't know. These features will help you be more productive. So, let's get started. This feature allows you to paste recently copied text and images. To enable this feature, go to Setting, go to System, click on Clipboard, then turn on Clipboard History. In most devices it is turned on by default. Now you can press Windows button and V together to show Clipboard History. Click on which you want to paste. You can also turn on Sync across devices to share your clipboard with other devices. Take screenshot in PC with one click. To enable this feature, go to Settings, then press Ease of Access. There scroll down to Interactions tab and click on Keyboard. Scroll down and turn on Print Screen feature. Now if you press PRTSC button on your keyboard, snipping tool will appear. You take a screenshot of a section of a window, an entire window, full screen, or your drawn section. The image will be copied to your clipboard, pasted anywhere you want. Or go to Notifications, and click on the image you took, and press Save, to save it. You can take screenshots and directly save it by clicking Windows button and PRTSC button together. You can now organize your work with 2 or more desktops. It is like 2 PCs in one. Just click on Multitasking button, and click on New Desktop button. You can also rename the desktop if you have new version of Windows. In different desktops you can use the different apps. If you have a laptop, you can swipe using 4 fingers to right or left to switch between desktops. Felt lazy to type? Then turn on this feature. Click Windows button and H together and start dictating. Or click microphone button on your touch keyboard and start dictating. To turn on dark mode, go to Settings, then click Personalization. Click on Colors, and choose Dark. Dark mode uses less battery and does less damage to your eyes. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.